one more video. I know it's a bit too early, but I want to tell you guys, I mean, the next record is already done, the A.R. It's coming out 4th of May, but I already, of course, work and have some new stuff, and yeah, working on the next record already, and this is what it's all about. I try to make the sound, guess what? Warsaw. My sound was already a bit, I call it great, but you maybe think it's not professional, but I try to make it more unprofessional, so there is no doubt about that. And so what can I tell you about the song? It's like about the sound. I don't know how to compare or say. It's just simple, totally fucked up sound, yeah. And it feels very good. I don't know why. So be care of the next record. Yeah. Okay. Bye.